G'day Ripu. I thought it would be easier to make a video and show you what I'm meaning. Here is in our office a 3-channel universal logger as per the one in the photo I sent you, and we have 3 inputs. So what we're going to do to change the inputs is to click beside the particular ED we're referring to, like so. Give it a moment to open, or a moment or two to open, right? And then you'll see in our case, if you look at info measures, you see we've written on here that channel 1 is our office, it's a PT100 sensor, and channel 2 is a thermocouple, which we have outside, and channel 3 is a 4 to 20 milliamp input from a CO2 measurement device in the office. But what we need to do is move down to this inputs setup. Now that will require the password. The default password we normally use is 9876. When the system was set up, you may have put your own password in there, and hopefully you've recorded that somewhere if that's the case. But if I go 9876 and apply, correct password, now I can go to input setup. So here we can see each channel, and you can see where to put the wires. So in this case, we have a 2-wire PT100 or a PT1000 going to terminals 1 and 4. But let's say you had a 4-wire PT100. You would simply click on this one, and there it shows you how you're going to wire it up. And again, you can name that in here as Ripu 1. And you see it's green, so you know that the data is slowly changing. And also on the printed circuit board above this terminal is a little jumper like you would use to reset CMOS on a desktop computer. So you can move it across, and in this case the terminal is open, it's not shorted out. I'll take a photo of our one here of just the lead that crosses over, and I'll send that to you as well. And basically that's the way you do it. And again, you repeat it for channel 2. So we have a thermocouple, and that's on channels 2 and 3, and it's suggesting positive on what it's telling us, positive on terminal 2, negative on terminal 1. And on the third sensor we have a 4 to 20 milliamp signal from a CO2 transmitter, and we've scaled it so that 4 to 20 milliamps reads between 0 and 2000 parts per million. So hopefully that all makes sense. Happy to take your call if you want to talk some more. Thanks, Ripu.